Imagine buying a brand new $1,000 smartphone, unboxing it with pure excitement, turning it over, and realizing it looks exactly like the phone you bought 4 years ago. That is the exact reality waiting for everyone who buys the iPhone 18 Pro. For months, the entire internet has been buzzing with massive rumors about a design revolution. Leakers promised us a beautifully clean front screen. They told us the pill-shaped cutout would shrink into a tiny dot. They said Apple would finally hide the Face ID sensors completely under the glass. It sounded like the futuristic upgrade we have all been waiting for. But a massive new leak from a trusted supply chain source has just ruined the party. Apple is reportedly planning to reuse the exact same front panel manufacturing tools for another year. If this is true, the front of the iPhone 18 Pro will look identical to the current model. The dynamic island will stay the exact same size. It will sit in the exact same spot. It is the same look Apple introduced way back in 2022. There is no visual revolution happening on the outside. If you are upgrading just to show off a brand new design, you are going to be deeply disappointed. This is the uncomfortable truth behind the massive marketing hype. But do not close this video just yet because the lack of external changes hides something incredible. Apple is pouring all its energy into a massive internal upgrade instead of changing the outside shell. The real magic of this device is happening under the hood. Let us start with the heart of the phone, which is the brand new A20 Pro chip. This is not just a standard speed bump like we see every single year. Apple is changing how smartphone brains are built by introducing wafer-level multi-chip module packaging. In very simple words, Apple is changing the layout of the chip components. Usually, the main processing units, the graphics units, the memory, and the artificial intelligence engines are stacked on top of each other or spread out as separate pieces. With this new technology, Apple integrates all these vital components much closer together on a single wafer. When you move these parts closer together, incredible things happen to the performance. Data does not have to travel far across the chip anymore, so it moves at lightning-fast speeds. Because the data travels less distance, the phone wastes significantly less energy. Less wasted energy means the phone generates much less heat. This keeps the entire system running incredibly cool even when you push it to the absolute limit. Rumors suggest the A20 Pro chip will deliver a solid 15% jump in raw performance. But raw speed is actually not the most exciting part of this story. The real victory here is the massive jump in thermal efficiency. High efficiency means your phone can maintain peak speeds for a very long time without slowing down. This is exactly what Apple needs because they are building this phone for the massive demands of iOS 27. The upcoming version of iOS is going to be packed with advanced Apple Intelligence features that run directly on your device. Artificial intelligence tasks require massive amounts of continuous data sharing between different parts of the chip. On older phones, this heavy workload causes the processor to overheat quickly. When a phone overheats, it throttles the performance to cool down, causing annoying lag. The new architecture of the A20 Pro chip completely solves this major bottleneck. It can handle heavy AI workloads for hours without breaking a sweat or slowing down. This means you will get perfectly smooth real-time language translations during travel. Your photo editing apps will process heavy images instantly. The voice recognition features will understand you without a single second of delay. Apple is preparing for a future where your phone is a literal AI powerhouse, and this chip is the foundation. The next massive upgrade is going to completely change how you take photos. For the first time in the history of the iPhone, Apple is introducing a physical variable aperture system to the main 48-megapixel camera. Every single iPhone ever made has used a fixed aperture lens. A fixed aperture means the physical opening of the camera lens stays the same size no matter where you are shooting. It does not matter if you are standing under the bright sun or sitting in a dark room. With a variable aperture system, the lens can physically open and close just like a professional camera lens. When you walk into a dark restaurant, the lens will automatically open wider. This wide opening lets a massive amount of light flood into the sensor to create bright pictures without digital noise. When you step outside into a bright environment, the lens will instantly close up a bit. This protects the photo from overexposure and keeps the entire background sharp and in perfect focus. This mechanical system gives you true professional control over your photos. It allows you to create natural blurry backgrounds for portraits instead of relying on fake software blur. Professional photographers have relied on this physical mechanism for decades, and bringing it to the smartphone world is a giant leap forward. But Apple is not stopping at the lens system. They are also pulling off a massive surprise by changing their camera hardware supplier. For years and years, Sony has been the exclusive supplier for iPhone camera sensors. Now, reports indicate that Apple is switching to Samsung for the main camera sensor. This brand new Samsung sensor uses an advanced 3-layer stacked design. This specific design allows the sensor to read image data at an incredibly fast speed. Fast data readout solves one of the biggest problems in smartphone video, which is the annoying rolling shutter effect. Rolling shutter makes straight lines look bent or jelly-like when you pan the camera quickly. With this new sensor, your fast-moving action videos will look perfectly straight and professional. The new sensor also dramatically improves the dynamic range of your photos before the chip even touches the data. This means your highlights will not be blown out, and your shadows will retain beautiful detail naturally. Combining a physical variable aperture lens with a brand new sensor architecture is a massive double upgrade. It means the camera improvements on the iPhone 18 Pro are deeply rooted in physical hardware, not just clever software tricks. This is shaping up to be the most significant camera upgrade we have seen in generations. All of this heavy hardware requires a massive amount of power to keep running throughout the day. Thankfully, Apple is addressing this by packing a large 4,685 mAh battery inside the frame. When you combine this physically larger battery with the extreme power efficiency of the A20 Pro chip, the daily endurance is going to skyrocket. You can expect a very noticeable increase in your daily screen time. You will be able to stream high-definition videos for hours longer without glancing at your battery percentage. Mobile gamers will notice they can play heavy graphic games without watching their battery drain in minutes. The phone is also getting a massive upgrade in terms of cellular connectivity. Apple is finally introducing its second-generation in-house modem, which is called the C2 modem. This new modem uses much less power than previous modems, which saves even more battery life when you are on the move. But the biggest feature of the C2 modem is full support for 5G satellite data connectivity. Up until now, satellite features on the iPhone were strictly limited to emergency text messages when you were lost in the wilderness. The new C2 modem changes everything by allowing actual internet browsing capability through satellite connections. If you find yourself in a remote area with absolutely zero traditional cell towers, you can still access basic internet data. This is a massive lifesaver for people who love traveling off the grid or living in remote areas. Even the front-facing camera is getting some love this year. The resolution is jumping significantly from 12 megapixels up to 24 megapixels. This massive resolution bump means your selfies will look incredibly sharp and detailed. Your casual video calls will look crystal clear to the person on the other side. It also gives you much more freedom to crop into your photos later without losing quality. Finally, let us look at the visual personality of the phone through its new color lineup. Apple is introducing a stunning color called Dark Cherry, which is a deep wine shade with an elegant, subtle purple undertone. The fan-favorite space black color is making a triumphant return after being completely absent from the previous lineup. If you prefer lighter tones, Apple is offering Cloud Blue, which is a very soft and refreshing light blue shade. Apple is also updating the manufacturing process for the back glass. They are refining the finishing technique to create a completely seamless and unified surface. This minor physical refinement will make the phone feel incredibly premium and smooth in your hand. When you look at the complete package, the conclusion is very clear. The front design of the phone might look exactly the same as the old models, but the inside of the iPhone 18 Pro is getting a massive transformation. You are getting a historic chip architecture, a mechanical camera system, a brand new sensor manufacturer, a massive battery, next-generation satellite connectivity, and beautiful new colors. Apple does not need to waste time changing the external shell when the internal hardware is evolving at this incredible pace. This looks like a highly intelligent upgrade that prioritizes raw performance and professional photography over cheap cosmetic changes. If the new camera system and the chip work as beautifully as the leaks suggest, this will easily be one of the most powerful Pro models ever created by Apple. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product.